Hey guys, welcome to the video. We actually got an unboxing to do. Let's open that up and see what we got. Now this is angle stop tool. What? Ah. Okay. So this is what you would basically tighten. It's a wrench basically. Now, when you go behind the toilet and you gotta tighten the shuttle valve. This is what you could use. Now, this would turn in both direction, and you don't have to take it off. So you could actually keep going because it just kind of see how it kind of opens up on its own. Pretty cool. Kind of been wanting to add this thing to the toolbox. It's not much to it, but there's another piece that kind of holds onto the valve itself, but that's not included with this, so I'll have to get that separate. But cool stuff. Yeah, definitely wanted to add this to the toolkit for a long time. We got two sizes here, 5/8 and 15 by 16. So yeah, the build quality is pretty good for what it's going to be used for, and definitely like making my life easier. So I feel like that's gonna happen. But yeah, if anything changes with this tool here, I'll definitely let you guys know in the description. And if you guys want to see this in action, I'll probably make a video and put a link on it. But I never really used this before, so I'll show you guys how good this stays over time and things like that. So keep up with the description, and maybe I'll keep a video link on the description so you can see this in action. So the purchase link is going to be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.